on the shipment in the left sidebar. Please enter your postal code, the destination postal code, the weight and size of your package. After this, click the quote button. You will see quotes from different courier companies. Please select one by clicking the select button. Please enter your name, phone number, email address and full address in the sender details section. If you have chosen a courier service that includes pickup, the driver will come to this address to collect the package. In the receiver details section, please enter the recipient's name, phone number, email, and complete address. Please enter the content and value of the parcel here, and select the date for the driver to pick up the parcel. If you wish to enable cash on delivery service, which allows the recipient to pay the relevant fees upon receiving the package, you can enter the COD amount here. Please note that different courier companies may charge different COD service fees. If you want to notify your customers that you have shipped the goods through channels such as SMS, WhatsApp, and email, you can enable these services here. Relevant fees will be charged for these services. Click confirm on the right to submit this waiver. If you have more parcels to send, you can click add new shipment. If not, you can click checkout to proceed to the next step. Select the shipment you want to pay for, click the payment button in the lower right corner, and then click confirm and pay in the final confirmation box to confirm the payment. Last step, you can choose to print or download the airway label. Please affix the printed label to your package. That's the end of our tutorial. Go ahead and try your next order.